What's up, Caps1 here. Today we're letting off some fireworks. You know, on the 4th of July. Where'd Mother go? Alright, here, record. Don't say nothing. Just record. Just hold it and you can look through that. And if it goes off, just press one of the buttons. One. Alright, ready?
You can't see it, Daddy. James, I don't know if I got it or not.
That's alright. Just keep in.
Caught them things.
Oh, it's the ball. Hey, look. The ball is right here. This is the ball that exploded when the fireworks shot out. Alright, got another one?
Is that all of them?
No.
Did you do half a row?
Yeah.
Alright.
Do one more.
Yeah.
Don't film me, film him.
Where are you going?
Come on.
What's he doing?
I got the cracks for fire.
No, we're not going to do all that.
That went off. Okay. Shit's laying on the roof. Stuff laying off the roof?
Oh, we should have brought a knife.
Just tear them. Did you get them?
What? You still filming?
Yeah, bang. It's glaring from the light.
Yep. Off. This broke off short.
Well, I'm good with short fuses, you know.
Yeah. Fuck around, blow a finger off. Them short. That didn't feel good.
Hey, that's blue smoke.
Go give us something to cut this with. Hurry up.
Film this. I'm gonna make a shot.
Josh, you done over there?
Mm.
We'll send one more up, James. That'll leave us 4.
Send one more up, James. Don't do the other cracked ones.
Yep.
Alright, Mother, you ready to film?
Yeah. Oh man, that worked.
Shit, that one was cool. Holy hell.
Right there, right there.
I bet you the cat ran.
Yeah, watch it. Grabs up, starts flying.
Yeah, one firecracker shot away up there.
I bet. Damn son of a bitches.
Are we done now? I'll quit. No, there it goes.
Let's let them off.
That didn't go up very far.
All these fireworks are lit off by trained and professional dumbasses. So, don't try this shit at home. Oh my god. I want to shit. These short fuse bastards. These are what I'm best with. I don't know if y'all can see me. This is what I'm best with. Because you take these short fuses, you set them down. You light up like hell. Y'all got that? Give me short fuses. You want to run like hell.
Wasted a lot.
Oh, hell no. Ah, here we go, guys.
Something hit me in the freaking arm. Are we done now?
No.
Yeah, we're done.
Come on, we're done. Come on, cause I got.
Load it then. You ain't got another one loaded in there. No.
No, come on, cause we leave some for tomorrow night. Come on, cause I gotta go lay down here in a little bit.
Yeah, you will.
Come on,
Excuse
Josh
me.
is done.
We gotta be the end. We gotta end it.
No, put it back. Let's do it tomorrow. You got a shitload of
No, they're not done yet either, Daddy.
I can't get the
more light.
Need to have a better lighter. I don't need help. You figure just close it out. There we go. I got it.
I don't know where that can come from. Oh, James, it shut off.
What?
That near shut off.
Fine.
I got
When
it back
shuts
on.
off, it just means that it's fine. Oh no, it did shut off.
Yeah.
Damn it.
I didn't get that last one, so don't do no more. Come on, 'cause I didn't get that last one.
Yeah, let's take some.
I know we got some road fires.
Come
Here, I got
on.
them in my pocket.
Alright, too many road ones.
Some of them ain't got fuse.
Yeah, I know.
The timer's not going off, James, so it ain't doing anything.
What?
The time,
Let me
yeah.
see.
Okay, yeah, it is.
Just
Don't put it back here where I'm at.
come on. I'm just putting it here. Alright, where's our black spot? Here it is.
This thing's pretty wicked. We've got some more of them.
What is?
Them things.
Is it fire graders? Be careful, they're all right here. Go step on. They're all right.
Why are you right there?
Light it right there.
I ain't got much of a fuse.
Yeah, no.
Put a bunch of them together when you light them. Gosh, that hurt my ear.
Oh, hell, hearing damage is just all part of the fireworks. Isn't that? Hearing damage.
You got your thumb, didn't you?
That was not gonna light.
Josh, any more?
I think so.
Mm.
We're gonna keep sending our warning shots.
Where'd they come from?
It sounds like down there somewhere.
Some of that shit hit me in the face. We'll quit when I blow a finger off. How's that sound?
Oh,
No, you won't, because
that hit me in the belly.
I told you I can't afford to miss tomorrow. Be late or anything.
You see that, Dan?
Man, if they got them things next year,
We'll buy a couple rolls, won't we?
you pay attention to what you're doing. All right, cool.
Hey, yeah, you're getting your thumb.
I don't feel pain. Pain feels me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What you'll think?
That's what you'll think. I'm surprised you're not bitching. Ain't you burning my rubber up?
That hit me in the face, in the chin.
All right, gather your stuff up. That's enough. We disturbed the neighbors enough. Space for old Vernon.
Yeah, that's why he's doing another one.
They're not lighting.
They ain't got enough fuse to light.
Yeah, no.
Quit. They say quit now. Come on.
They're right.
Mm. Get your eyeballs down there.
Yeah, that one ain't
Or your
bad.
red devils or whatever they are. Get your things down there and get your canister.
Where's the other fireworks?
I got the
Or
firecrackers. I got them there.
Oh, this thing's warm.
Have some, bitch. It's wicked, wasn't it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Here.
I can't hear shit. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Subscribe down below.
I'm shocked.
Comment what you thought of these fireworks. And peace!